The 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 RS is an exhilarating blend of track-inspired performance and road-going refinement, designed to thrill even the most discerning automotive enthusiast. This latest iteration of Porsche's iconic sports car boasts a design that screams performance, with aggressive aerodynamics featuring a massive rear wing, prominent air intakes, and lightweight carbon fiber components. Every detail is meticulously crafted, not just for aesthetics, but to enhance functionality, with aerodynamic elements delivering unprecedented downforce for unparalleled grip and stability at high speeds. Beneath the hood lies a naturally aspirated 4.2-liter flat-six engine, a masterpiece of engineering that produces an impressive 550 horsepower. This powerhouse revs up to an astonishing 9,000 RPM, delivering a symphony of mechanical precision and unrelenting power. Paired with a lightning-fast 7-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission, the GT3 RS rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.0 seconds, making it a true track weapon capable of conquering any circuit. The car's handling is razor-sharp, courtesy of its rear-wheel steering, lightweight chassis, and Porsche's state-of-the-art suspension system. Drivers will appreciate the precision and feedback that inspire confidence in every turn. Inside, the GT3 RS offers a surprisingly luxurious experience, blending race-ready elements with cutting-edge comfort. Carbon fiber bucket seats ensure support during spirited driving, while premium materials like Alcantara, leather, and brushed aluminum elevate the cabin's feel. Porsche's advanced infotainment system includes a high-definition touchscreen, wireless smartphone integration, and a performance-oriented telemetry app, allowing drivers to analyze lap times and performance data. The steering wheel features intuitive controls, ensuring the driver's focus remains on the road or track. One of the most innovative features of the 2026 GT3 RS is Porsche's Active Aerodynamics system, which dynamically adjusts to optimize performance based on speed and driving conditions. This technology, combined with the ultra-lightweight construction, places the GT3 RS ahead of its competitors, offering an unmatched balance of speed, agility, and comfort. Whether carving through winding roads or dominating a racetrack, the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 RS delivers an unmatched driving experience, reaffirming its status as a legend in the world of high-performance sports cars.